I'm currently the Mark L. Brandt Fellow for the Richard and Leslie Frank Center within the College of Media. So in my role as the Brandt Fellow, I help to put together different events for the center. So when special guests come in to talk to students and have discussion or visit classes, I hope to kind of put all of that stuff together, as well as reaching out to people who might be interested in attending certain events. I contribute to this project by working with Professor Colleen King, who is the director of the Frank Center and also a professor in journalism. We work together almost weekly to make sure that there are different events for the students to go to. So what I'll do is I'll do research on kind of maybe what the students in the journalism department are interested in, some problem areas that I might have that I think would be good to do workshops on. So I kind of bring my expertise as a student journalist into the space and help us brainstorm different projects that or events that students might be interested in. My favorite part of working as a Brandt Fellow is definitely been getting to network within the College of Media. I feel like before compared to now, I've definitely met a lot more of the staff within the College of Media as well as the students. Just being able to meet different students at the events that the Frank Center puts on, as well as different staff there. It's all been like a lovely experience, and it's definitely impacted my time here as a journalism student. Colleen and I are so excited to begin public engagement within the Champaign-Urbana community. We're currently working on a project where we'll go to an after-school program within the Champaign Park District and teach students what journalism is and the fundamentals on how to report and everything. I feel like it'll be a really cool experience for the young children to learn about journalism and just the basics and things like that. So we're really excited to get into some more public engagement within the community. I have learned a ton of things from this project, but one of my key takeaways is definitely how to have poise under pressure, and also how to kind of like rise to the occasion of be a leader. It's really just developed a lot of skills that I already had and brought them out of me. I've seen the best come out of me while working at different events for the Frank Center and things like that. Colleen is an amazing teacher, so just to have her as kind of like a mentor has been really helpful, and she's taught me a whole lot about just the journalism industry, which has been a huge plus to me. One of my other favorite parts of working with the Frank Center is definitely when professional journalists come to visit us. It's so valuable to us. I really loved when Steve Kornacki came in March of 2023, and also most recently when Brian Williams came in October of last year. It was super fun. There's always a buzz on campus when we have these news anchors with us, and it's just very valuable for students like me to get to hear from industry professionals that are working in the field that I want to get into. But it's also fun to be behind the scenes and put these events together because I know like all the nuts and bolts of what's going to happen in that day. So it just fills me with excitement for what's to come for the students, what they're going to experience, also for the faculty, and then I get to take away a little bit for myself as well. So those events are always fun, and I look forward to them every time.